Did you know that the Palestinian Territories, despite their small size, are home to a variety of landscapes, ranging from mountains to desert and Mediterranean coastline to fertile farmland? This diversity is quite remarkable, considering the compactness of the region. Picture the rugged beauty of the West Bank's mountains, the rich farmland of the Jordan Valley, and the stark expanse of the Negev Desert. Add to this the azure Mediterranean coastline. From the rolling hills of the West Bank to the sandy beaches of the Gaza Strip, the Palestinian Territories are a study in contrasts. It's time to step back in time as we visit Jericho, one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. Archaeological evidence suggests that Jericho has been a bustling hub of human activity for over 11,000 years, from the dawn of the Neolithic era to the rise and fall of empires. Its strategic location and abundant resources have made it a crucial crossroads in history. It's not every day you get to visit a city that's been around since the Stone Age, is it? Now let's dive into the rich cultural tapestry of the Palestinian Territories. Picture this, a confluence of cultures, a medley of influences from the Middle East, Africa, and Europe, all converging in the Palestinian Territories. This unique blend radiates through the soulful melodies of Palestinian music, the enticing aromas of their food, and the age-old traditions that still hold sway. It's a cultural potpourri that tells a story of unity and diversity. From its diverse music to its mouth-watering cuisine, Palestinian culture is a vibrant blend of influences that's uniquely its own. As we wrap up, it's worth noting the resilience of the Palestinian people. Navigating through a labyrinth of political conflict and economic hardship, they stand tall, their spirits unbroken. Their tenacity, a beacon in the darkest hours, illuminates their path towards preserving their rich culture and unique identity. They are the embodiment of resilience, their determination echoing through the ages. Amidst all the adversity, the Palestinian people continue to show their strength and resilience, a testament to their enduring spirit. As we've seen, the Palestinian Territories are a place of contrasts, steeped in history and brimming with cultural richness. They boast varied landscapes, from topographical marvels to the oldest city in the world. This area is a cultural melting pot, where traditions and customs have been preserved and passed down for generations. The resilience of the Palestinian people, despite numerous challenges, is inspiring. From its ancient cities to its vibrant culture and resilient people, the Palestinian Territories are truly a place that defies expectations.